Two top contenders in email marketing. One decision that could change the game. Which platform truly delivers? On the left, the innovative, automation-friendly Moosend. And on the right, the customer-focused, creator-powered Kit. Let's cut through the marketing hype and see how they really stack up. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which tool takes the crown. The final verdict might surprise you. So here's the roadmap for what we're about to cover next. We're going to look at pricing, automation and workflows, design and templates, analytics and reporting, usability and support, and finally, how well each of these works for e-commerce and actually making money. Okay? Let's dive into each one. All right, first up, pricing. So Moosend, honestly, they start really strong. There's a free trial for up to 1,000 subscribers for 30 days. So that's actually pretty chill if you just want to get a feel for things. Their paid plans start at $24 a month for 2,000 contacts, which is, like, less than most of the competition, especially when you look at the features stacked in. The only weird thing is, if you're totally new, the dashboard can feel a bit crowded and, just a lot going on. Now, Kit also has a free plan, but heads up, it's got some pretty tight limits. Where it shines is the simple pricing for small lists. The catch? Once you grow, that simplicity kind of disappears. Plans start at $15 per month for just 300 subscribers, which, ouch, that adds up fast. So, slight edge here goes to Moosend. Let's talk about automations and workflows, because, come on, who wants to spend hours sending emails by hand? With Moosend, you get over 18 pre-built automation recipes. Stuff like birthday emails, product recommendations, honestly, there's a ton. Oh, and they even throw in AI-powered and weather-based triggers for e-commerce. Super smart, but heads up, getting everything dialed in can be, well, a little daunting at first. Kit, on the other hand, totally nails it for beginners and creators. There's this super visual workflow builder, rules and sequences are simple to set up, and honestly, it feels way less intimidating. Just know, if you want really advanced triggers or crazy logic, Kit doesn't go quite as deep. So Moosend wins again, but Kit is seriously friendly for anyone just getting started. All right, let's get visual, design and templates. Moosend is like the playground for design nerds. Over 40 templates, you can drag and drop everything, and if you're a code wizard, there's full HTML and CSS access. Honestly, it's powerful, but I'll be real. If you just want something simple, it can feel kinda over the top. Now, Kit's vibe is almost the opposite. It's a minimalist, distraction-free zone. You only get 3 basic templates, but hey, they let you add custom HTML and even use dynamic content with variables. Pretty neat, but only if you're up for some manual tweaks. If you want plug and play, Moosend makes life easier. So, yep, Moosend for the win here, again. Okay, random fun fact. Did you know Moosend's mascot is actually a moose with wings? Like, they literally have a flying moose as their logo. I just think that's hilarious. Let's get nerdy for a second. Analytics and reporting. With Moosend, you get the works. Detailed, real-time analytics, custom reporting, the whole lot. Only thing? That much data squished into one dashboard, yeah, it can get a little busy. Kit keeps it super simple. You'll see your engagement stats, delivery rates, and some conversion numbers, but honestly, it's just scratching the surface if you care about advanced stuff like segmentation or custom reports. So Moosend totally takes the crown on numbers and tracking. Okay, shifting gears a bit, usability and support. Here's where things get interesting. So Moosend does an alright job with support, but because it's loaded with features, it honestly can feel kinda overwhelming until you get the hang of it. Kit really shines here. If you're a creator or new to marketing, this interface is just, intuitive, like no headaches. Plus, their support, multi-channel, fast, super helpful, the whole 9 yards. Quick note though, some cool support features are only for higher tier plans. But overall, Kit definitely makes life easier here. E-commerce and monetization. Because, hey, who isn't trying to make a little extra? Moosend's arsenal is honestly wild. AI product recommendations, slick cart abandonment flows, and more. All clearly built with online stores in mind. The catch? The next level stuff is more for businesses. So if you're just hustling solo, maybe overkill. Kit's take is different. It's tailored for creators selling courses, digital products, subscriptions. ConvertKit Commerce is built right in, super streamlined. Just know, if you're running a real e-commerce storefront, integrations are kinda limited and it's not quite as deep. For serious e-commerce, Moosend's ahead. So, visually, if you looked at their side-by-side scores, Moosend just keeps edging out Kit in most of these categories, especially for advanced automation, analytics, and e-commerce power. Kit does punch above its weight for usability, though. Honestly, here's the bottom line. If you're running an e-commerce brand or you're an advanced marketer, Moosend just packs in way more bang for your buck, especially when you need robust automation and analytics. But if you're a solo creator or you value like a totally chilled out, easy experience, Kit is just really pleasant to use. One thing though, with Kit as your list grows, those costs definitely creep up, and that's something to watch for. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.